If you still have not received your stimulus check from the CARES Act, in this video we're going to be going over how you can check on the progress of your filing for the stimulus check and how you can still file to claim your stimulus check. With that being said, please smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm so we can get this video out to more people. Subscribe to the channel so I can grow and get this information to more people and continue to help you guys on a more frequent basis. With that being said, let's get into this video. The first thing you have to check is if you do owe any taxes to the federal government. Now, me personally, in 2018 and 2019, I did make under the $12,200 limit, but I still owed state taxes. So if you still owe taxes, then you have to file the returns for 2018 and 2019. If you did not file your 2018 and 2019 and you did not owe any taxes, here are some other things you have to consider. Were you receiving any Social Security Retirement Disability, SSDI? Were you receiving any Supplemental Security Income, SSI? Or were you getting any survivor benefits? In addition, do you receive veterans benefits or railroad retirement benefits? If you have or receive VA or SSI benefits, you'll have until May 5th, 2020 to file for a dependent that you may have for the $500 payment that you could receive for them. But if not, you have to claim them on your 2020 tax return. If you have filed your taxes and still haven't received your stimulus check, or if you filed the non-filer form, then you can check the Get My Payment tool under the IRS website to track the status of receiving your stimulus check. Now, the IRS has provided a webpage for how to use their IRS tools to see if that you should be filling the non-filer Enter Your Payment Here form. In addition to this, they provide an informational center for frequently asked questions on people who have not received their stimulus check and if you should be filling out the non-filer form. Lastly, they are providing an economic input payment page, which provides you the ability to check your personal status on receiving this stimulus check and the non-filer form for you to fill out if you qualify. I added links to the 3 websites that I mentioned earlier down in the description below, so check those out so you can look up that information and see if it's suitable for you. Now, for the non-filer form, you have to make sure that you are making under $12,200 single and you are making less than $24,400 filing jointly. You can also not fill out this form if you are a dependent or could be claimed as a dependent. The IRS will not be sending you a stimulus check. I'm going to provide you guys the Economic Impact Payment Hotline that they offer for you to track your status if you have already filled out the non-filer payment form. And this is 800-919-9835. In addition to this, you can call the IRS Hotline, which is the 1-800-829-1040. Now make sure you have certain documents available, such as your social security number. They're going to want this information to look up and make sure that this is actually you who is calling the IRS and not a scam. Now you have a little bit more information if you should be filling out the non-filer form and how to check your status of your stimulus check. I hope this video helped you out. Please smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe if you're new. It helps me grow, get this information out to more people, and I can make these videos more frequently to help everybody out. With that being said, I hope you guys have a great day.